This is TechDress Systems. In this video I would like to show you how to configure a system's IP address. Okay, all right, so let me minimize this. So in order for you to do that, you locate the icon. This is your system's, your networking icon on the desktop. Okay, you locate it, so you right click on it, then you click on Open Network and Sharing Center. So when you click on it, you wait till it loads. So here you locate the local area connection, so you click on it. So when you click on it, then first you confirm what your IP address is by clicking on details. So it tells you what your IP address is. So this is my IP address, and I'm using the DHCP enabled, which means the my router generates IP for me automatically. Okay, but if I don't want it to generate IP automatically for me, if I don't want my router to generate IP automatically for me, I need to change my settings, and I also probably need to change my IP address class, or I retain the class. Okay, this is a class C IP address configuration. Okay, so I close this, then I go to properties, then I click on Internet Protocol 4, then I click on properties. Okay, so now my IP is obtained automatically from the router. That's what the DHCP enabled means. So if I want to set my IP address locally, manually, I click on use the following IP address. Okay, so by doing that, it gives me access to type the IP address in. So let's say my IP address is 192.168.10.45. okay, so once I've typed the last number, then I press tab. So make I press tab, it generates the subnet mask. Okay, now I will need to make sure that these first three numbers are the same on every other system connected to the network I'm trying to connect to. So like for example, this 190 must be constant on the other systems, this 160 must be constant on another system, this 10 must be constant on the other system. So the only thing that will change is this, and this can range from 1 to 255. You can't exceed 255. Okay, so once that is done, if you also want to put your default gateway, you can type in your default gateway. Most likely your default gateway will be 192.168.10.1. okay, so you need the default gateway in case if you want to put internet access on the system. But if you don't want to put internet access, you remove this. Okay, so once that is done, you click on OK, then you click on close. Then to confirm, you click on details. So it tells you what your new IP address. You can see the DHCP enable is now no, which means I'm not obtaining IP address from my router. Okay, now if you don't have a router, you don't need to set it to yes, you need to set it to no, because it's only a router that can assign IP to your system automatically. So therefore, if you don't have a router, you need to disable your DHCP and input a manual IP address, just like I have inputted. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I will be closing this now. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.